Welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary analysis. Character challenge. The two words are familiar for us. On GOI direct you to Twitter. Direct you means official instruction or order. Official instruction or order. The center direct you to Twitter to remove manipulated media tag on post is illegal. This editorial is saying that the center ordered that Twitter to remove manipulated media tag for posts. For whom post it, the center has officially as usually it asks for BJP's peoples. So now a few posts of BJP members, the Twitter is showing that manipulated media under the post, that is manipulated tag, that the center is asking the Twitter to remove the manipulated media tag on this post. Asking such thing to the Twitter is illegal. That is this editorial. Why it is showing manipulated media, the Twitter? Because it may be a false statement or some other thing. So it is showing, the Twitter is showing manipulated media. The government of India's directive microblogging platform Twitter. I already said what is directive of instruction or order to microblogging platform Twitter that it remove the label called manipulated media from certain posts shared by functionaries. Functionaries means a person who has performed official functions or duties, an official of whom? Of BJP's. So regarding the BJP's functionaries post, regarding BJP functionary post, the editor is asking to remove a tag called manipulated media tag. Manipulated media tag, including Union Minister has no legal leg to stand. Legal leg to stand, if you say that someone does not have legal leg to stand or has not got a leg to stand, meaning that statement or claim they have made cannot be justified or proved. But it reveals that government of India is willing to go at any cost to empower BJP functionaries. To go at any cost to empower BJP functionaries to tarnish political opponents and to tarnish whom? To tarnish political opponents. Tarnish means to damage the reputation of political opponents and misinform the public. The BJP functionaries circulated on Twitter what they called a toolkit prepared by the Congress to disparage. Disparage means also tarnish, to damage the reputation, to disparage the government. The Congress has filed a police complaint that BJP functionaries forged a document that does not exist. What does it mean? The Congress doesn't produce any document, but BJP is saying that Congress has produced a document. The document is the course or a plan of action that is called a toolkit. A toolkit is a course or a plan of action. What we have to do is called a toolkit. Okay, that it was made, but BJP is saying the toolkit is made by Congress. But the Congress has filed a police complaint that BJP functionaries has forged a document that does not exist, which was not prepared really, which was not there. It also returned to Twitter to permanently suspend the accounts of those who circulated the forged documents. There is indeed a document that Congress prepared on the opportunity cost of the Central Vista project for its internal use. There is indeed a document that Congress prepared on the opportunity cost. What is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost is uh, if you want to spend if you want to buy two things. Yes, the opportunity cost. If you want to buy two things, due to that you will get only one thing and the second thing will be not accomplished. Only one thing can be accomplished, that is opportunity cost, right? Opportunity cost of Central Vista project of its internal for its internal use. Here the BJP is saying that the Congress has prepared an opportunity cost, means they file due to one thing they are not they are losing one thing. Actually the Congress is making allegations that that government is um, making lot of money to for Central Vista. Instead of that they should use for corona, the- for improvement of COVID hospitals and for facilities of COVID. That is we can for that we can understand what is opportunity cost of the Central Visa of its internal use. Here what they are saying is that Congress itself prepared an opportunity cost of the Central Vista project for its internal use. The one circulated by the BJP leader included additional pages of COVID-19. It was circulated by the BJP leaders, included additional pages of COVID-19. The BJP has failed to provide the digital footprint or the copies or what it calls the COVID-19 toolkit. But BJP has failed to provide the original copy of digital footprint. So the Congress is claiming it doesn't even exist. We didn't done it. They forged a document on the name of the Congress and it was circulating in social media rapidly. So called COVID-19 toolkit. There is no evidence that the Congress has done anything in the toolkit which was supposedly prepared by May, but the toolkit proposes courses of action that has already happened in April. I already said what is a toolkit. A toolkit is a plan of action that has to be taken on a next month, an upcoming month. But here the toolkit itself is telling that was prepared regarding April of the past things that are happened and it is revealed in May. It is in reverse order, right? If you have to make a toolkit, you have to May. If for the month of the June, you have to prepare a toolkit in the month of May for June. But for April, they made the toolkit in May. So there is no evidence that the Congress has done anything in the toolkit. What is a toolkit for the upcoming month, not for the previous things which are done, right? All has already happened in April. That's the thing. an analysis by fact-checking platform called Alt News. Alt News will check whether the news is fake or real. Has revealed what toolkits are meant to about coordinating future actions. I already said they are further future actions on social media and not for past events, cataloging past events and not for discussing what happened in past. Toolkits are, but whatever the BJP has circulating is regarding April. The toolkit was regarding April and is circulating in May. So there is no evidence that the Congress done anything. When challenged on facts, a BJP propagandist is a person who promotes every activity. Sorry, we miss anything? Yeah, toolkits are meant to about, yeah, and not for past events. When challenged on facts, a BJP propagandist, the one who promotes everything, revealed the identity of a woman who was involved in Central Vista research. He told a woman name who was involved in Central Vista research. Because of that person revealed her name, so many cyber mobs means so many social media persons bullied her. Bullied means show some making some comments on her. Twitter has not compiled. What is mean of compiled? Follow. Compiled with centers directive. What is directive? I already said official instruction. Twitter has not compiled with centers directive, and at least 6 handles of BJP functionaries now have posts with tag manipulated media. They are having tag manipulated media because they are circulating fake news that Twitter believes that the reason behind the directive means for the official order of the government is the absence of any legal provision to cite by the government of India before to ask any social media platform like Facebook or Twitter. There should be a law. You are doing against law, please make sure and please make correct, but there is no certain legal provision to cite. So in the absence of any legal provision of cite, it is giving central is giving directive by the government of India is baffling. It is what actually why it is baffling means confusing, that it has argued that the labeling was prejudiced pre sorry prejudged. It was a prejudiced and deliberated attempt to color the investigation. Here the color is verb. So color, what can I say regarding is prejudged means judged before, prejudges means don't have trust, and deliberate means intentionally doing. Color is used as verb. It is change in opinion or something. There is no legal provision to cite by the government of India, so that because of there is no legal provision, so it is baffling. It has urged to urged that the labeling was a prejudged and deliberate means judged before. You have judged before, you don't have trust on the government, intentionally doing and change in the opinion of people. Color the implication of local law enforcement is the local law enforcement is whatever the police government or the local agency. By this metric, by this logic, a private company must allow what it has determined as a problematic content until a state agency concurs. What is meant by concurs? Accept. Concur means accept. Twitter has a policy that it may label tweets what included media that has been disputably alert or fabricated. um you Whenever you sign up, Twitter has some privacy policy and terms. According to that, it has a privacy policy terms. According to that, Twitter has labeled as because the Twitter assumes that it is a misleading and fake post. Disciplined include media that have been deceptively alerted or fabricated. Deceptively alerted or fabricated means manipulated. What? Deceptively alerted or fabricated. It could use its own mechanism or third-party services to make determination, confirmation. Twitter is a private entity whose relationship with users is guided by its terms of services. Means if it is not acted very good, it loses its brand value, right? The IT Act that empowers the government to regulate content does not give it the power to order to remove of the label. Yeah, here is a very nice point. You see, there is an IT Act that empowers the government to remove the content, but there is no such an IT Act to remove the label. If you have any problem with that post, you should ask the Twitter to remove the content, but not to remove the label. There is no such law to remove the label. That was Twitter is saying. Additionally, the government move raises serious concerns regarding arbitrary. What is arbitrary as one wish? Regarding arbitraries as one wish, we can say arbitrary censorship and transparency. The center's desperation the center had desperation means to do something in any way. The center wants to do something in any way to control any discussion on its failures and shift the focus to the opposition is leading to such situation that embraces democracy instead of. Here we can understand, instead of controlling and discussing in failures centers desperation, it shifts its focus on opposition and leading such situation to embrace democracy every time rather than intimidate. Intimidate means fearing rather than intimidate a private company. The BJP and the center should discipline its functionaries into more civility. What civility means? More polite. Civility and truthfulness in their engagement with critics, yes, the one who tells in the critics would know. Yeah, this is today's editorial. We'll meet you again with another new editorial. Please subscribe us, like and share.